Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create high conversation ad framework using custom shape. First we create a bold shape header. No content blocks are stacked vertically, then CTA shapes stand out clarity. After that arrows guide the eye. Next gradient add premium quality. No spacing ensures clarity. Then icons add meaning. After that shadows build hierarchy. Next shapes are grouped. No color contrast improves section. Then alignment is refined. After that visual flow is checked. Next, brand safety is ensured. The final polish is applied. The ad framework converts better. Thanks for